Hey everybody, today we are going to talk about combining two great products. We're going to combine Google Slides and WeVideo in order for you to be able to deliver your lessons to your students who now may be in a position of needing to learn from home or somewhere else where they get internet access. So let's have a look at how we can combine these two products so that you can continue delivering those key ideas and explanations your students have come to expect. So the big question is, how do you combine these two things? You want to make sure that you've set up your slides so that all your key information is ready to go. So imagine, plan through your lesson, think about all the, for example, the common misunderstandings, build on their prior knowledge, all that stuff. Get that into your slides and ready to go. So that's on the screen and displayed for the students as you're taking them through the lesson. Additionally, you want to try to keep it short so that their focus is on your explanation and not looking somewhere else on the screen. Next, you want to make sure that you've named your presentation, because when you are actually creating the video and choosing which tab to record, you want to be able to pick it from the list. And if you have multiple tabs open, like I often do, you want to make sure that your tab is appropriately named. What you're going to do is you're going to open up WeVideo and then choose Create a New Edit. Go to My Media, choose Record, and then choose either Screen or Webcam and Screen. After you've done that, choose your Chrome tab and then select whatever tab your presentation happens to be in, and then click Share and then go through your presentation. I like to choose Webcam and Screen because what it does is it creates separate tracks in your video, so that one track will be the screen recording, the other track will be a recording of your face. I think that will give a bit of a human touch. A lot of students are kind of probably craving a little bit of, connectedness with other people at this point in time. So you can have your picture or your video in the corner of the screen. I think mine will be down here, but I can't see it right at the moment. It may be reversed and maybe over here, but I have a hunch it's going to be on that side. But regardless, I think that what you want to do is have your video in there just so students can see you. They probably miss you, to be honest. And then this is just a quick little screen grab here of how you can layer your video so that, again, your video is in the corner and the text is on the rest of the video. Just to show you how that works, if I double click on my top layer, so if my video 2 here will be my webcam feed. If I double click on that, I can bring up some changes such as transformation. And what you probably want to do is just change the scale of it. So when you first start it, it will probably be at 100% size, taking up the entire screen, and you just scale it down to something that you find appropriate. Bring it down into the corner and make any final adjustments that you want to do. And then there you have it. Some other considerations you may want to consider. You can take students through sample questions. What you can do is record yourself. For example, if it's a math question, you can record yourself actually doing the calculations required or the work required. Film that on your device and then import it into WeVideo, or you could do it digitally as well. Doing it digitally may make it a little bit easier for you in terms of having it all there in one spot. And another idea is maybe having specific times allotted for Q&A sessions. You can create new videos where students will send you a video of them asking a question, or it doesn't have to be a video. It could be them just asking it, and then you taking them through a video that addresses their concerns. And the presentation, for example, could have 5 slides addressing 5 student questions or concerns. These are just a couple ways you can combine these two apps. And I think it will enrich classroom learning a bit. And given the tough times we're in terms of, possibly being in social distancing mode or quarantine mode or whatever you want to call it, these will give students, I guess, a little bit of stability where they can continue learning from you and building on those things you've done through the rest of the year. Thanks very much for watching, and have a great day, and keep safe and take care.